The present perfect tense is a fascinating aspect of English that connects the past with the present. It's all about actions or situations that have relevance now, even though they happened at some point before. The structure is simple. We use have or has followed by the past participle of the verb. For example, I have eaten or she has traveled. Let's break that down a bit. The choice between have and has depends on the subject. I, you, we, and they take have, while he, she, and it take has. This is crucial for getting the tense right. Now, why do we use the present perfect? One reason is to talk about experiences. For instance, if I say, I have visited Paris, it implies that at some point in my life, I went to Paris and that experience is still relevant to me now. It's not just about the action, it's about the impact it has on my current life. Another use is to indicate a change over time. For example, my English has improved. This shows that my skills have developed from the past to the present. It's a great way to highlight progress. We also use the present perfect for actions that started in the past and continue to the present. Take the sentence, I have lived in this city for 5 years. This indicates that I moved here 5 years ago, and I'm still living here now. It's a bridge between the past and the present.